The Keychron V6 is an impressive wired custom mechanical keyboard that offers an exceptional typing experience and a high level of customization. With its full-size QMK via programmability, this keyboard truly stands out. The hot-swappable Keychron K Pro Red switches provide a smooth and responsive typing feel, making it a joy to use for extended periods. The keyboard's modern design, with its frosted black translucent finish, adds a touch of elegance to any setup. One of the standout features of the V6 is its fully customizable nature. Every component, from the keycaps to the switches, can be easily assembled and modified to suit your preferences. The QMK and VIA support allow for easy programming and key remapping, giving you complete control over your keyboard's functionality. The open-source firmware is a huge plus, ensuring you have access to a wide range of customization options and the ability to explore new features as they become available. The V6 boasts a 108-key layout, providing ample space for all your typing needs. The double-shot PBT keycaps offer a premium feel and are highly durable, ensuring long-lasting use. The acoustic silicone pad and screw-in stabs further enhance the typing experience, providing a satisfying tactile feedback. Additionally, the pre-lubed switches ensure a smooth and consistent keystroke, reducing the risk of fatigue during long gaming or typing sessions. This keyboard is not just for gamers. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of users. Whether you're a programmer, writer, or simply someone who values a high-quality typing experience, the V6 delivers. The RGB backlighting adds a touch of personalization, allowing you to choose from a range of colors to match your style. In terms of compatibility, the Keychron V6 excels. It works seamlessly with various devices, including laptops, PCs, and Macs, ensuring a plug-and-play experience. The USB-C connectivity ensures a stable and reliable connection, making it a reliable choice for daily use. Overall, the Keychron V6 is an exceptional custom mechanical keyboard that offers a unique and highly customizable typing experience. With its focus on quality, durability, and user-friendliness, it's a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their keyboard setup. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or a typing enthusiast, the V6 has the features and performance to meet and exceed your expectations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.